Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I will be sharing with you on 3 outfit ideas to look tall for short and petite figure. So before we start, let's go through the 4 key elements that you should consider in your outfit selection if you want to have this tall effect. Number 1, choose vertical stripes. Number 2, flare denim or flare pants. Number 3, monochrome outfit. Number 4, pointy shoes. These 4 elements not only will give you the taller effect but also slimming. They kind of coincide with each other. I will explain in detail on each point as we go through this video, so make sure you watch till the end, okay? So let's get started. For look number 1, I am wearing a vertical stripe jumpsuit in black. The vertical stripe pattern is a 101 must-know key trick element in order to look taller, as the vertical stripe gives an illusion of continuation. So you will look long and elongated. Moreover, since I'm wearing a dark shade, not only I look tall but also slimming. For this look, I am pairing the jumpsuit with a black blazer because I'm in the mood of a business casual feel. If you want a more casual look, just simply take off the blazer. Going back to the 4 key elements to a tall effect, I am completing this look with a pointy heel. For look number 2, I am pairing a vertical stripe Oxford shirt with flare denim. This look is suitable for your casual Friday or simply an outing. It's smart, it's casual, it's comfortable, and also figure flattering. So again, going back to the 4 key elements as discussed earlier, vertical stripe, check. Flare denim, check. And pointy shoe, check. And last but not least, for look number 3, the monochrome look. Wearing a single color outfit maintains visible flow without breaking your body frame. However, for this look, I am wearing 2 different tones but within the same family color just to spice things up. This look is quite versatile actually, because a monochrome look can go all the way depending on how you style it. For this look, it is suitable for the office, for casual meetings, outing, and anywhere that you feel up to. The turtleneck design top gives an illusion of continuation starting from the neck all the way to the bottom. I am pairing this up with a semi-flare pants, which is super smart and comfortable. Overall, I would say this look is modest and elegant because it's not too much yet sophisticated. Not forgetting, to complete the look, I am pairing it with pointy heels. So there you go, 3 outfit ideas to look tall for short and petite figure, created specifically for muslimah. To summarize, don't forget the 4 key elements that you should consider in your outfit. Choose vertical stripes, flare pants, monochrome outfit, and pointy shoes. Moreover, fixing your posture will also help to make you look taller. Even if you're not tall, but if your posture is right, not only you'll appear tall and slim, but confident too. I hope that you'll benefit from this sharing, and thank you for watching.